strong.
Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to Easy and Simple Crochet Lesson 6. And this video we will see how to make a granny square, and I will teach you how to make this granny square without this seam line. See here, you can make the difference here. See the finish here and the finish over here. So let's get started, guys. Okay, for this project I have taken this thick yarn, 100% acrylic, and I have taken this thick yarn for you guys to view better. And crochet hook I have taken size 8, that is 5 mm. So to start your granny square, make a slip knot, and the knot should glide easily so that it will be easy to make the first chain. And you have to start with chaining 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you make a circle by inserting on the first chain like this, and yarn over and pull through both the loop. So you will get a small circle here, and you work first round inside the circle. So after making this circle, you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first 3 chain will be your first double crochet, and next 2 chain will be the corner. So you start making 3 double crochets inside this circle. See, not in this loop where we connected, but inside this circle here. Yarn over, insert, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Your first double crochet, second, 2, pull through 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochets. Then you have to make 2 chains for each corners. You have to make 2 chain. Then you continue making 3 double crochets. After making 3 double crochet, again you have to chain 2. 1 and 2. Again 3 double crochets. Make sure you move the stitches like this, so that you will be having space for other stitches here. So third. Then again chain 2 for the next corner, and now you have to do 2 double crochets because you already have the chain stitch here. One, yarn over, insert, pull through, pull through 2, and you have to connect on the third stitch. 1 2 3, third chain, like this. Make a slip stitch. I'll show you again. On the third chain, make a slip stitch. This is how you make a slip stitch. Insert, yarn over, pull through both the stitches. So this stitch doesn't count here. When you make the next round, this stitch doesn't count. Now you have the small square here, this part. So making the next row, you should not start from here. You have to make a chain and make a slip stitch inside this corner. Go like this, insert and make a slip stitch so that the seams are not shown here. See, the seams are not shown here. So after your slip stitch, you chain 5 again. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. After your 2 double crochets inside the corners, you start double crochet on each of the stitch on this 3 double crochet. See, 1 2 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you have 3 double crochets on these stitches. So again you have to make 2 double crochets on this corner. 1 and 2. So you should be having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here you have 3 stitches, so you increase by 4 stitches. So in the first row it will be 3 7, and in next row it will be 11. So you start adding 4 stitches in each row, and for the corner here you have to make 2 chains. Then make 2 double crochets. 1 2. And you make the same 7 double crochets on each side. Double crochet on each of the stitches 3, then 2 double crochets, then 2 chains for the corner, so after the 3 double crochet you have to make 2 double crochets inside the corner. One, 2, and chain 2 for the next corner. So you have 7 double crochets in each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should repeat the same thing on the other sides. So after making 3 chains on each top of the stitches, double crochet, and you have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your first chain will be your last double crochet here. So to close this square you need to make a slip stitch on this third chain from here. 1, 2, 3. This. Pull through. See. You can see now you finished your second row. To make the third round you can follow the same procedure. Make a chain and a slip stitch inside this corner. Whenever you finish doing your slip stitch, just hold the yarn like this and pull it in front. So you're not working on this stitch. This is a slip stitch. So now again you have to start chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again double crochet 2. 1, 2. So you have double crochet on this corner and you have to make double crochet on this each stitch here. So your 2 double crochet, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11. So you will be having 11 stitches in this row. So after your 9th stitch, make inside the corner. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you have 11 stitches here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Then you chain 2. So you have to follow the same procedure till you reach here. So I am in the last stitch here. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. To end the square, just connect on the third chain and make a slip stitch. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you have any doubt, you can leave a comment on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.